tonight, tomorrow, today. Noah! What you got in your hand? Come hither, you little boy. What you got in your hand? Where are we going?
Back.
We're going back to catch what? Minnows and what? What did you catch last time? Brown trout and that slimy thing, eel. Eel, yes. What we're going to catch, Harvey Sly?
Fish.
Fish fingers! Whee! You're up there, me Travis. Fishing! Oh, weasels! Fucking fishing, you what? Whee! If you come into the woods today, who's that? What you witness in the woods? A slack off. Is it what's it called? A slack off? A what?
Slacking.
A slacking. Slacking in its natural environment. If you listen closely, we'll do the breeding call. Ah! He did it. Ah! Right, we'll leave it to it. Let's get it to it. We'll leave it because it's breeding season. We've made it. Where are we? You'll be able to doing that with that finger. Sign language, that's it, people. Right, we're here. Woohoo! Fishing! Fishing! We have arrived at our destination. Where are we?
Beach.
Beach, are you sure? Well, beach is down there, but this is estuary to get back, boy. Right, fishing. Simple rig, nose on it, work there. Right, set up nose using, look. All it is BB down to a hook, and then we'll maggots on there. We usually use a couple of these BBs, yeah, but we're running short, so we made our own hit me out at catapult balls. Drilled it on and put a screw in it, boss. Yeah, that's how you do it round here. Yeah, boy. Should we catch out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, Noah's first cast. He's got 3 maggots on end. Go on. Watch your eyebrows, Harvest. Perfect. Perfect. Good cast. We'll be back. First bite, I think. What do you reckon I have? Should we have a look? You got some? Huh? You did? It dropped off? Better look next time, son. No. Next time. Good luck. Oh, have you got a bite? Go on. Oh, where that nearly fell in? Oh, slowly. Have you got one?
Yeah. Oh, you bastard.
Has it come off? I still got it. Look at this. Go on. Look at that. Good brown trout. Look at that. Go on. Give it in. Give it here. Look at that. Oh, come here. Oh, I've got fish juice on me. Ah, fish juice. Look at that for a brown trout. Go on, Harvey, son. Yeah, boy. Look at that. Yes. Catch and release. Swim, fishy, swim. There we go. Hold it. Go on, fishy. Come on, fishy. Come on, fishy. Get a bit of air in your lungs, son.
No, push him. Push him in, Noah. No.
There you go. Fish doctor. Look, he's just having a breather. Look at him. There he goes. Look, he's going, boys. Oh. There he goes, look. He's on a mission. Look there, can you see it?
Yeah. Is the
There he is, look. Just getting his breath, then he'll be off. Woohoo! Fishing. There he goes. Bye bye. Go on, no, son. Go on, son. I was down there fishing, look. He's on spinner. Go on, big chuck. Big chuck. Go on, hoy it out, man. Harvest Fly's gone to get some refreshments. He's going to get some chips and a couple of drinks for him and Noah. I'm having a can of pop and I'm setting his rod up because he snapped his line off. Why, he's going to get some chips. Woohoo! M-I-C. Beautiful, innit? Oh yeah. Go on, Noah, big chucks. Get up there, boy. What you got there, son? Watch yourself, don't drop it here. Look. Right, Noah, give it a reel in. We just had a bite. Come this way, don't get tangled with that one. Go on. Slowly, is there one? No? No? There is? Oh, there isn't. Yeah, you got weed. Yeah, right. What you got for dinner there, son? Yeah, boy! What are they?
Evenly coated.
Evenly coated. Red sauce, check fuck out at box. Woohoo! Evenly coated. Another one. You up there. Yeah, what you got there? Hey, come here, look.
We both got it.
It's a brown trout, boy. You got something, no?
Actually, I've got them all.
What you got?
Hey!
Come here then. What you got?
I don't know. It's a fish.
What is it, a minnow? Go on, killer. She caught the fucking caught some. She caught some out. Badonk. What you got? Go on. You got one? Go on, reeling. What you got? You look, you got one. You up there, my boy. Look at that. Come here. Look at that. What's that now? Brown trout. Beautiful. Come on in. You scored, you look. Everyone needs one. See? There we go. Right, we've had enough. Noah's kicked our ass again, hasn't he? Kicked our ass again. We're going home, packed up. But what we will do is put some videos on our last time that we come out and then put them on there. So this is for today. We'll put some videos over there. Thanks for watching. Bye. 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 What you got? You got some? Oh, it jumped off. Was it what? That was it. What did you say? Was it an eel?
Big and the last one.
Was it really? What are you doing? You ain't got another one, have you? Have you got one? Whoa, that's a good one. Bring it over here. That's how you do it, boys. Look at that. Get up, my boy. Look at the size of that one. Come here, look at this. Wow, look at that. Oh, keeps it. Oh, look at this. Look at the size of that.
What size is
Yeah, boy. Well, what's this? What are you doing here, son? What's this?
Another one.
You what?
Another one.
What is it? Oh, what you got here?
What the fuck?
Come here. You got an eel. Come here, you got an eel. Come here, no, here, look. There you go. First eel. Grab it, the slime. Grab it then. Grab it, the slimy. Right, put it down. Right, Noah's first eel. Have you got anything there, bro? Have you got out? Have you got out?
Yeah.
Oh, he's going. Hey, look at that. Oh, he's got another one. He's got another one. Go on, son. Give us a look. Turn it around, look at it. Look at that beautiful little brown trout. Well, grab it then, son. Oh, right. You got out. Oh, you got out.
Oh, he's got some. Oh my god.
What you got there, Noe? His first brown trout. Look at that, look at that. Yeah, hey, look at that, boys. First brown trout. Go on, Noe. Up the Noe. Tell him, Jack, go on, son. That's me, boy. Hey, bro, what you got there? You got another one. Come here. You don't pull them out like that. Look, you got another one, boys. Another one. Go on, Noe. Hey, Noe, what you got now? You got another one. You look. You got another minnow. Another one. Go on, Harvest.
It's not so simple, life is short and cruel.
Go on, son. Kicking ass, are you, isn't he? How you know how many you got? 5, is it? 5 fish. 5 fish. 5 fish. You just caught what? Good luck. Go then, hire back. We have a fishing today, boys. Goodbye, minnow.